How's it going? Justin here, bringing you another foundation repair tip of the day. Today we're very excited to announce a new feature on our website that went live just this morning. We've added a new button near our Call Now button to leave voice messages directly on our website. Now you have the ability to reach out at any time of the day or night to ask questions, schedule a foundation inspection, or follow up on a current project without having to talk to somebody on the phone. It's simple, easy, and can be done from your phone or even your computer. So if you're ever wanting to reach out while the office is closed or just don't feel like talking to anybody on the phone, you now are able to leave us a quick audio message. And that's your tip of the day.